don't mind the fucking mess in the back. My new computer. I'm so excited to open it. Yes, this is an unboxing video. Debating whether to get purple or the blue one to match my room, because my room is purple and blue, you know. I went with purple. Let's get right into the video. And Dart's right here with me today as our guest star. I love you, baby doll. Mama's a pig. The screen. Oh, what the fuck is that? Please tell me I recorded that.
Hell no, to the no, no, no.
Please tell me I recorded that. Darn, look hella scared. You okay, baby? You okay? What was that? It was a fucking ghost? Man, what was that, woo-woo? Let me look back at the video. I actually got it on video, baby doll. That shit was hella funny. It just fell. Scary. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Alright. You want attention? Oh, of course you do. It's bigger than I thought. Big ass box. Excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Alright. How the fuck can I open her? Hold on, let me give you guys a better look on how she looks like. She's beautiful. Look at her. Beautiful. Yep. Alright, let's open her. Okay. It's time. And this box is huge. Okay, there's like this fucking tape. Not really. Can y'all see this good? Can y'all see this? I have to lay her down. Okay, so you guys can see a lot better. The hardest. There. Period. Period. Hello? I don't know why I said hello like that. Curious, baby doll? Me too. Where is she, baby doll? We're gonna make YouTube videos with her. Okay, so I see there's two. Let's go over here. Right. It is pretty light. It's pretty light. But I just put her there. Let's see what else is in the box. Whoa. That's pretty. The thing I like about this is that it comes in the matching color you get it in. This is a lighter purple, but it's really pretty. I found a sticker with the color one. Cool. This is hard to move with one hand. Put this aside for now. Let's look at that keyboard. Wow. See the back? Let me open her. So here's the keyboard. I'm gonna be extra careful with her. Pretty light. I honestly kind of expected it to be more purple. I heard this has like a fingerprint thingy. I'm guessing this is it. That's so fucking cool. Hella cool. I like that. Wow. Oh wow. I could use this for my phone too. It's the freaking, yep, for the keyboard. And this thing's really white. What is this? Oh, yep, the mouse. Let's check out the mouse, see how she looks. Whoa. Yeah, I definitely thought this would be more purple. It's more like a silverish lavender. It's pretty. This is just white on top. I like how she feels. Wow. Okay. It's nice. I'm gonna put her to the side. I think that's it though. Pretty sure that's all in the box. Okay guys, so let's bring her in. This is her. I don't know why I keep calling her, but oh, wow. Let's take off the hello sticker. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. I don't even want to touch it. Nope. Too clean. I don't mess this up with all my fingerprints. Wow. Wow. Now let's go for the back. Okay. Let's start. That one. Oh wow, that's a dark ass purple. Cool. So guys, this is the purple it came in. I have a little bit of mixed feelings. It was really dark. Kind of wish it was more of a vibrant color. Like I like that, or like I don't know, like my room. Nah, I don't know, but it's pretty. Okay, so by far this is all that it comes with. Everything that's in the box. Oops, backwards. Yeah. I'm gonna set everything up, turn her on, and let you guys see what it looks like. Okay, so I've never seen this on Apple things. Then again, I don't really buy those other things. It's cool. So there's this. Trash now. Connect it. Connect this to the computer. Okay. Okay, she's connected. The button is over here. Whoa! I see myself on here. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, so same thing for the keyboard, which is right. The finger's right there.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Huh? Return? Key? Delete? Return. I've never tested these out before. I've only had a MacBook laptop.
Mac OS contains a built-in.
Y'all, I'm setting it up. This shit's hella fucking cool. I ain't gonna lie. It made me set up. That is the finger thing, by the way. Oh, and I'm done. I set up my Apple Pay thingy, Hey Siri, and all of that. So far, I'm liking this, and I just fucking started using it. I'm gonna give you guys a final review. I know I just got it just to say, because I haven't tested out too much. By far, I like it a lot. Color-wise, wish it was more vibrant. But that was nice. I like how no strings is nice. I like that. The cost. In total, with taxes and everything, I paid around 1,600 something. Oh, something I'm curious about. Let's look at the connections you could put in this computer. Yeah, this has no place to put like USB, anything like that. That truly sucks. Maybe there's like an extender you could buy. I did see this in the back though. This, guessing that's for this. Let me give it a try. Okay, so yeah, it is for that. It has 4 of them, and that's dead as it. No other connectors for other shit, which sucks. Like, let me zoom out. This thing tilts like that, which is cool. It's kind of hard because I have a place like that, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Damn, I feel extra purple. I like it, and I am actually gonna test out iMovie on here, Y'all, y'all see this fucking camera? Shit. Dart's back, by the way. But I'm gonna say bye to so you're gonna say bye now. Okay? Love you. I just wanted to show you guys the camera because I was curious. It's fucking nice. It's good quality. What the fuck? Bye. Bye for real.